Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from the US Consulate in Karachi as we celebrate Baloch Culture Day. The United States and Pakistan are both shaped by our rich cultural heritage and the strength of our diversity. Baloch culture and its people add to the rich tapestry that is Pakistan, and we are happy to celebrate with you. Since I've been Consul General, I've learned about Balochistan's fascinating history, traditions, and landmarks. It is a place with diverse traditions, festivals, arts and crafts, and a rich storytelling tradition. It's also a place of great resilience, especially considering last year's devastating floods. The U.S. government is pleased to support many initiatives in Balochistan, ranging from flood support, university partnerships promoting entrepreneurship, English language programs, an alumni grant to combat climate change, and even a virtual Lincoln Corner. These efforts strengthen the people-to-people ties between the United States and Pakistan and help preserve and promote Pakistan's rich cultural traditions, including Balochistan's. I was very happy to visit Quetta recently, and I hope to travel back to Balochistan again soon. Until then, I wish you a very happy Baloch Culture Day. Balochi dodo rabedage, roch mubarakbat. Good evening, everyone. I am absolutely thrilled to be back here in Karachi. As you all know, I served in Islamabad from 2011 to 2012, just like Mark. And it's absolutely amazing that we're both ending up here, and I am following in his illustrious footsteps as the next Consul General here in Karachi. I am truly delighted to be here with you. I think most of you either met with or read about the ambassador's trip here last week. We are here to pursue the joint goal of enhancing the US-Pakistan bilateral partnership in trade, investment, clean energy, health, security, education, and other shared priorities. Our enduring people-to-people ties in Balochistan and Sindh also bolster the friendship between the United States and Pakistan. And ultimately, we hope that this relationship helps Pakistanis fulfill the vision of Quaid-e-Azam, a vision of a peaceful, democratic, tolerant, and prosperous Pakistan. And I look forward to being here to continue our important work by promoting even more opportunities to take our strong partnership to the next level. Bahut shukriya.
US Consul General and Sindh Culture Minister signed the renewal of a MOU for the 4 Lincoln Corners located in public libraries in Karachi, Hyderabad, Khairpur and Larkana. Lincoln Corner Karachi at the Liaquat Memorial Library is the largest in Sindh and features a unique one-of-a-kind space in Pakistan called the Startup Lab, where aspiring entrepreneurs can turn ideas into a startup business using the latest technology and equipment, all for free. Lincoln Corners are partnerships between the US and Pakistani public libraries, universities, and community centers. They are event spaces and resource centers that connect young leaders with the United States. Online and in-person programs are free and open to the public, a tangible symbol of the strength and breadth of US-Pakistan relations. Speaking on the occasion, the Consul General said, "As we celebrate 75 years of US-Pakistan relations, our Lincoln Corners in Pakistan contribute to expanding our people-to-people ties, bringing Pakistanis and Americans together and providing access to educational resources and information." Lincoln Corners highlight the shared values among Pakistanis and Americans, especially with regard to education and democracy.